Have you ever wondered how Elixir powers some of the most advanced, fault-tolerant applications in the world, or why it's becoming the go-to language for scalable systems? It all starts with mastering the basics. Stay tuned for a comprehensive dive into Elixir syntax and data types, and discover the power of functional programming. Elixir is a dynamic, functional language designed for building scalable and maintainable applications. It leverages the Erlang VM, known for running low-latency, distributed, and fault-tolerant systems. Elixir syntax is expressive, concise, and clean. For instance, a function to add two numbers can be written as follows. In the above example, def module is used to define a new module, and def is used to define a function in that module. The do and block contains the function body. Now let's discuss Elixir's main data types. They are known as numbers, atoms, ranges, binaries, lists, and maps. Elixir has integers and floats. Here are some examples. So here is an integer as a hexadecimal, and a float. Atoms are constants where their name is their own value. Some examples are hello and world. Ranges are represented as start and end. Here's an example. Binaries are used to store binary data. Lists are simply a collection of items, while maps are key value pairs. Here are some examples. Elixir provides this is a binary, list, and map. Elixir provides several built-in functions to manipulate these data types, opening a world of possibilities for programming. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.